Solve for x and y using addition or subtraction. I know that 12 goes into 132 11 times, so if I multiply the second equation by negative 11, I'm going to have the opposite coefficients for the first equation and the second equation. Times negative 11, and that's going to give me negative 132x minus 341y plus 192 times 11. 2,112. I'm going to add to that the first equation, so the 132x plus 352y. I'm going to subtract the 2244 from both sides. Minus 2,244 is equal to 0 in both cases. You end up getting 11y minus 2244. This number take away 2244 is equal to negative 132 minus 132 is equal to 0. I'm going to get rid of that negative 132 by adding 132 to the left-hand side, but if I add it to the left-hand side, I also have to add it to the right-hand side. We end up with 11y is equal to 132. Divide both sides by 11, and we end up with y is equal to 12. Let's feed that back into the easier of the two equations. I guess that's the second equation. Replace the y with 12, and so we have 12x plus 31 times 12. Take away 192 is equal to 0. So that gives us 12x, 31 times 12 is equal to 372 plus 372 minus 192 is equal to 0. 372 take away 192 is equal to 180. 12x plus 180 is equal to 0. I'm going to get rid of that 180 by subtracting it from the left-hand side. But if I subtract it from the left-hand side, I also have to subtract it from the right-hand side. We end up with 12x is equal to negative 180. Now, I want to get rid of that 12 that's multiplying the x, so I'm going to divide both sides by 12. 12 goes into 180 negative 15 times. X is equal to negative 15. Our coordinates of our answer, y is 12, x is negative 15, so we have negative 15, 12. Remember, the x comes first. Negative 15, comma, 12. Close the bracket, and enter. Excellent. Let's do one more quick one. I have 126x. I don't want to multiply the second equation by 126, but I notice that 3 goes into 18 nicely. 3 goes into 18 nicely. So if I multiply the second equation by 6, we're going to end up getting 6x minus 18y minus 324 is equal to 0. 6 times 54 is 324. That's going to be my new second equation. I'm going to add that to the top equation, to the first equation, so negative 126x plus 18y. I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides. 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. Then I'm going to add everything to those two equations together. I'm going to get negative 120x. Negative 18y plus 18y is 0. Negative 324 and negative 336. 24 and 30 is negative 360. 24 and 30 is 54 plus 6 is 60. So 360 is equal to 0. I want to get rid of that negative 360, so I'm going to add 360 to the left-hand side. And if I add it to the left-hand side, I also have to add it to the right-hand side. We end up getting negative 120x is equal to 360. Divide both sides by negative 120. We can just chop off the zeros. That gives us x is equal to 36 divided by 12 is 3. A positive divided by a negative is negative, so we get 3. X is equal to negative 3. Then to find the y, I'm going to take the simpler of the two equations, this one, and I'm going to replace the x with negative 3. So instead of writing x minus 3y, I'm going to write negative 3 minus 3y. Minus 54 equals 0. I'm going to add the like terms, add the negative 3 to the negative 54. That makes negative 57. Minus 57 is equal to 0. To get rid of that negative 57, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add 57 to both sides. This is going to give us negative 4y is equal to 57. To get the y all alone, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. 3 goes in 27, 19 times. Y is equal to a positive divided by negative is negative 19. Our answer is x is negative 3 and y is negative 19. If I can just type that in like this, x is equal to